Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick Canva guide, I'm going to show you how to move a text box in Canva, something super simple but really important. Let's jump in. So first, click on the text box you want to move. You'll see a blue outline, which means it's selected. Now just click and drag the text box anywhere on the canvas. You can move it up, down, left, right, wherever it fits your layout. As you move it, you'll notice those purple smart guides. They help you center your text box or line it up with other elements so everything looks clean. If you need more precise control, use the arrow keys. Each tap nudges the text box a little, and tapping with Shift makes it jump further. If you want to move multiple text boxes together, hold Shift and click each one. Then drag them like a group. If a text box won't move, it might be locked. Just unlock it using the lock icon. And if things get messy, you can reset by using the alignment buttons, center, left, middle, whatever you need. And that's all it takes to move a text box in Canva. Super simple, and once you get used to it, your designs look way more organized. Thanks for watching.